In this video we want to show you sugar glazed chestnuts from the brand, 3 Squirrels. These chestnuts got bought in Shanghai, China. 3 Squirrels is a Chinese brand selling lots of nut products and merchandise stuff with squirrel and nuts on it. Like t-shirts, backpacks and so on. Let's enjoy this without talking in autonomous sensory meridian response, or short, ASMR. Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.